Alden Richard update, yung event ni Alden for video just sa Pampanga, SM City. Ang dami pa mga tao dyan. May swerte pa nga ni Lop-Lop, oh. Sinasama ni Alden dyan sa stage. Kasi small louder yun, eh. Si Alden, may jacket na. Ayun sila. Ay, sa backstage after ng event. Ayan, si Alden at si Daniel Panood. Saka ito yung interview kay Alden.
It's not about weight loss. Now that I'm 34, my perspective in life is changing as well. It evolves as well. So, iba ko na tingnan yung buhay. Kumbaga, parang for me to be available to the people I care about, I have to take care of myself. Simulan ko na rin ulit yung pagbalik sa gym for workouts. But it's really more of self-care for me to be available to my loved ones. Hindi lang siya about what I eat, what I do. It's also what I think, what I consume, so of course, what I consume in terms of intellect. Like yung mga pinapanood ko, iba na yung preference ko ngayon. It's a holistic shift, basically. Kakaawa yung mga bata na gustong matuto, mas pinipili na lang nilang mag-survive kaysa mag-aaral. I saw personally the conditions. Pag tinatanong ko yung mga bata, bakit pag tinatanong ko yung mga guro, normal to sa kanila. Makeshift classrooms, dikit-dikit, sobrang init. Yung standard ratio ng 1:35, meaning one classroom is to 35 students. Bakit merong classrooms na 1:145, 1:75? Bakit tayo umaabot sa ganun? To think, this year nag-allocate po ang government ng 1 trillion pesos for education last February.
Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.